Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Clash Royale 2 versus 2 with friends right there in your app. But before that, please do make sure to like the video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you gotta go to your Play Store and simply install your Clash of Royale app here. Right, Clash Royale over here. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this play option beside. If you have installed it, simply tap on this play. So now you can see, now once we have opened it up, we're gonna find this kind of interface including the information and the battle option just right over there. If we tap on it, we will be able to battle with our enemy and simply play the game and claim and then win for the next level. But if you would like to play with your friends, you can see this particular option right over here. Right, first of all, you gotta go and you create or join a clan, and if you create or join a clan for you, then you will finally be able to clan chat, card request, friendly battles, 2 versus 2 battles also available afterwards. And then you can see we have this locked, it's showing this complete training to unlock. So for that matter, we simply have to complete the training. If you have just started playing in the Clash Royale, once you have completed again you're gonna come to this option and you will be able to access it. Once you have created yourself a clan, you will be able to add your friends and access that 2 versus 2 option. Once you have done so, you're simply gonna go to this events section where you're gonna find special events, private tournaments. Go ahead, tap on any of the events and you will be able to invite your friends and play 2 versus 2 just right over there likewise. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.